Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will generate the front view, top view, and isometric view of the motorcycle assembly. We will also generate BOM and add balloons to the component of the assembly. We will use the empty sheet format for generating the views. First, starting a new drawing document from the assembly document. Double click on the screen and choose the bike assembly. Click here. Now go to File. Click here. Then choose Make Drawing from Assembly. Click here. Now select the A for NC landscape sheet from the list box in the sheet format size dialog box and choose the cancel button. Click here. A new blank drawing document start and the view palette task pane is displayed on the right side of the drawing window. Before we generate the drawing views, we need to confirm whether the projection type for the current sheet is set to third angle. Click anywhere on the screen to close the view palette task pane. Click here. Now select the sheet 1, right click over here and choose the properties button. The sheet property dialog box is displayed. From the type of projection, choose the third angle projection and choose the apply changes button. Next, open the task pane, choose the view palette task pane. Click here and select the front view from the view palette task pane. Click here and drag it. Now move the cursor above the front view and specify a point. Click here. Now move the cursor diagonally upward. Click here. Now exit the projected view property manager. Now move the cursor over the isometric view. The bounding box of the view is displayed in orange. Next, click to select the view. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag the view to the new location. Click here. Next, we need to generate the BOM. BOM is bill of material. The BOM generated in SolidWorks is a parametric. If a component is deleted or added in the assembly, the changes is automatically reflected in the BOM. However, before generating the BOM, we need to set its text parameter. Go to Options, go to Document Properties, go to Annotations, select Font. In the height, change it to points and select 14 and choose the OK button. Click here and select Balloons. From the text area, select Font. In the height, select Points and select 14 and choose the OK button. Now select the isometric view. Click here. From the annotation command manager, go to Tables drop down and select the bill of material. The bill of material property manager is displayed. Choose the OK button. The BOM is generated and attached to the cursor. Now place the BOM at the upper right corner of the drawing sheet. Click here. So now we have noticed that the description column is also displayed in the BOM. As this column is not required, so we need to delete it. Right click over here, go to delete and choose column. Now adjust the BOM. Click here and move it and choose the OK button. After generating the BOM, now we need to add balloon to the components. Select the isometric view, click here. From the annotation command manager, select auto balloon. The auto balloon property manager is displayed. From the balloon layout, select layout balloon to square. Click here. From the balloon settings, click here and select 2 characters and make sure the ignore multiple instances is selected. Now choose the OK button. So this is the final drawing sheet after adding balloons to the components. Now saving the sheet in a dedicated folder, go to Save drop down, choose the Save As button, go to Documents, select Motorcycle Project folder and here name it as Motorcycle Project and choose the Save button. Thanks for watching the video.